Hello and welcome to another pack opening. I have 5 more packs of Maze of Memories. We're still chasing that elusive Baronne de Fleur. I'd also be okay with like an Excel Synchron or something like that as well. But it's been a while since I've been able to rip a few packs just because of things going on in life. So let's go ahead and get to ripping. Let's start with pack number 1 here. Ryoku Guardian, Gate Guardian, number 39, Utopia Rising, Blackwing Kalute, Ancient Fairy Dragon, Forge a New Future, and Mech Knight Red Moon. Pack number 2. Cost Down, Blackwing Elf and the Raven, Soul of the Supreme King, Battle Royale Mode Joining, Suijin, This Creepy Little Punk, and Mech Knight Crusadia Avarimax. Good pull there. I pulled him one of the last packs that we had on the last Maze of Memories pack opening. So I got one for my sell pile, and I got one for my personal pile. Start off this pack again with another cost down. Blackwing Elf and the Raven, Perfumumple Duelist Extraordinaire, Nimble Angler, Prey of the Gyragumo, Kazagen, and another 39 Utopia Rising. Pack number 4. Ancient Fairy Dragon, Cost Down, Battle Royale Mode Joining, Royal Decree, Gate Guardian, Photon Orbital, and Gate Guardian of Thunder and Wind. And last pack for pack number 5. Let's see if we get lucky and pull something of high rarity here. Labyrinth Wall, Mudan the Rika Fairy, Soul of the Supreme King, Nimble Angler, Gate Guardian, Red Eyes Soul, and Super Ancient Deep Sea King Coelacanth. So, nothing super good. Best pull was our Avarimax. It's about a $4 or $5 card. Its price came down just because of the reprints in this Maze set, but I mean that at least paid for one pack, and maybe the rest of these will take care of the cost of the rest. But thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for some more pack openings, and I think we may do another box opening soon, see what sets drop soon. Wild Survivors is something I'm interested in. I'm also very interested in the 25th anniversary tins for this year, but that won't be till this fall sometime. I think the next drop in June is gonna be Wild Survivors, so we may pick a box or two up of that. So stay tuned, and if you like what you're seeing, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.